Come to our channel. Today we have a mystery box. Today we got our cousins, and my name is Talia, and this is my brother Carson. My name is Carter. This is my cousin's name is Carter and Carson. We don't fight. And I was not picking his slime. It's cool. It's sparkly. And now, and I'm gonna go first. It is a clear slime. Oh, it looks like great. It looks like sparkling. Nice slime. She knows the line. Oh, this red slime. It looks like lava slime. It's lava. It's lava slime. How is lava slime wet? I want to touch it. It's wet. Mystery box. Ooh, pink. It's purple. Surprise. Mom, you want to make a bubble? Oh, Kaya. That's like a bubble. Whoa, that really bubble, Kaya. Bubbly. You make a bubble. You and me clean your eyes, then pick the one. How is that? You have blue slime. Blue slime. Well, that is a good slime. Yeah, that's a damn slime. All the slime together. Ooh, Carson, we gotta do this stuff. We can't get this stuff out of there. We gotta hit. Exactly. Kaya. Cool. That's so cool. Kaya. Oh, this is good. Wow. That makes it slime. What is this? Nice like this. That is like whooshy slime. Whoa! that to a ball. Look at your jelly ball. Hey, look at your jelly ball. I love to look at your jelly ball. Whoa, I'm not together. Get smushed together, Kalia. Oh, it's a little. Yeah. Hey, look at you, boo boo. Yeah. Carter's going. Oh my God! Let's mix it. Okay, this peanut butter jelly sandwich. Yeah. What's crunchy? What? You can get the biggest one, Carter. Look. I have to make a bottle of this. Make a big one. You didn't try to make a big one. You may mix it together. Oh, guys, you want to make a ball? Hey, a big ball like a soccer. Might you like? For watching our video. Subscribe to our channel.
Give it a
thumbs up button.
everybody say bye.
Bye.